stands for least common multiplication. In secondary school, you will be asked to find what is the LCM for one number, two number, or n numbers. In this example, I will be using 3 numbers. To find the LCM for 24, 36, 42 as an example, it can be any values. I'm not showing you using prime factorizations. You have to find, using prime factorization, the LCM for these 3 numbers. To do that, we do a division by the least number. The smallest prime factorization of prime number is 2. Divided by 24 is 12, 36, 18, and 21. Keep dividing, you can still divide further, and we'll divide again by 2. Now you get 6, 9, and 21. Because you can't divide 2 with 21. You write down here as 21 if it cannot divide. If you can divide, you write the value that is already divided, number of times. So 12 is 6 times. 6 times 2 is 12. 9 times 2 is 18. If you can't divide these odd numbers, don't divide. So divide again. Next, we divide by 3. 2, 6 is 2, 3, and 7. Usually I will stop here because this is already the end. Nothing else you can further divide. But in school, you need to divide until you get 1. To divide until I get 1, you keep on dividing. 2, 1, 3, 7. And divide again. 3, 1, 1, 7. And 7. Now you have 1. This is the LCM using prime factorization. The least LCM is equal to all these numbers here. Multiply them up. 2 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 3 times 7. That is equal to 504. This is your least common multiplication number, which is 504 for everything here. Now, just now I just told you, normally I will stop until here. Correct? If I stop until here, you will have 223, 237, which is the same as this one. Can you see? Because this is already the smallest. There's no further you can do. But in school, you have to do this until here. Understand? This is the least common multiplication value. Hope you can understand. Yep, thank you for watching. This has a remainder 0. 504 plus 0. Let's do a working on whether this is true or not. 504 divided by 24, which is this number here. 50, 24 is 48. 2 times. You're left with 2 after you minus off. Bring this down. 24 and 24 is 1 time. Your remainder is 0. Understand? That's why it's 0 here.